When you come here, no matter where you're from, you're just part of this family. The G, once it gets in your heart, it's there, and it never goes away.
Yellow jacket through and through.
They take pride in the legacy that's been laid before them. Tradition runs deep here at Greer, it always has.
We have a very diverse setting and different personalities and different backgrounds, and it's wonderful. We learn from each other, but as soon as one comes in to this community, to this family, you know, you're in for life. So it's just an awesome thing. Whatever potential you have, whatever talents you have, you can really find your niche.
You will have a chance to voice your opinion. And it's a group of students that have the chance to participate in upper level courses, and they move throughout their day together. It is a chance for them to earn college credits. They do sit for some AP exams and some IB exams both.
I think that regarding the society and the way it works, my name is Pierre-Yves Courrier. I am a French citizen. I have my father who works for Michelin. It gives a high level of education and this openness of mind on the world and issues. Also, when we go to college, to choose around the world which ones we want to attend.
It's just such a good opportunity because you're learning so much more, and you're not just learning about a subject, but you're learning how to really analyze it and talk about it.
So this is the Freshman Academy banner. This is my class, 2020. I like the idea of the Freshman Academy a lot. You know, it gives us the opportunity to grow and really give us a sense of the high school and what's to offer here. You know, it just doesn't bring us into this, you know, it gives us the steps slowly, and it really lets us develop as people.
Walking to Greer High, I definitely did not expect to see, multi-$1,000 like working robot parts. Programmable robots. Saws, mills, everything. There's all sorts of really, really cool stuff that I didn't even think belonged in a high school.
Well, since we're so close to BMW and all the nice manufacturing here, about 4 years ago, superintendent met with a lot of the officials that work in industry, and they said they needed a good introductory program to help the middle schoolers and early high schoolers get real excited about all these exciting manufacturing jobs we have here.
In your notes, please.
You get college credit for taking it in high school, so when you attend a four-year university, it goes as like you've already taken the class.
They're actually offered by Greenville Tech teachers that come here on campus, so it's an outstanding opportunity.
I've already figured it out. When I'm a second semester freshman at Lander, that's where I'm going, I'll be an academic sophomore, so I'll already be graduating a semester early, so less student loans.
I think we have the best fine arts department in all of Greenville County. Best thing about teaching at Greer High School are the students. That's who I love working with each and every day, and I'm very fortunate.
We have a wonderful visual art program here. Our students compete in a lot of different competitions, local, through the city of Greer, through the district, state, and national levels.
The acoustics help us hear ourselves better. So when they sing, it circles around the room and comes back to them, so they can hear what they're actually sounding like.
Thank you, Yellow Jackets! We appreciate you!
It's just a chance to give back to the community, so anything that we can do to help, we're here for it.
Most of them were former Crestview students and former patrols, and it really is just kind of a community outreach. It helps us promote the things that are going on at the high school.
I like helping the kids. I like seeing the bright smile on their face. It's crazy how you open the door for a kid and a big smile just appear on their face. I like that.
We have all these programs where everybody's really trying to come together.
This is a clothing closet where students can come and get different outfits if they need anything.
If there's an emergency with a teacher or even a house fire from one of our students, we all pitch in together.
Because if it's cold outside and they just need a couple jackets, so we can give them jackets and they're warm and they
They're so thankful, so grateful.
Peer tutoring is a course offered at Greer High School where students with disabilities are able to work together with students from the general population at the school to work together on life skills that they'll encounter after high school.
Can you make sure that one is straight?
They work in the community and in the classroom, and we travel to the grocery store or the bank and work together on learning skills that they can take outside of school.
Well, I'm a Greer High graduate, and I graduated from here in 1995, and my father and grandfather were Greer graduates as well. So we have black and gold blood definitely in our family.
My mom and my dad both went to school here. Some of the same teachers that they had have been my teachers in the time that I've been here. So that's been really cool to be able to experience that.
This is home. I mean, I love Greer, I love the community, I love the camaraderie. It's very family oriented.
Je ne joue jamais de la guitare. Très bien.
The Greer community is very open-minded. We have a lot of students from other countries, Hispanic countries, and also other countries. And the kids, on a personal level, I think I'm enjoying being here because the kids find it interesting that they have a teacher from a different culture.
3 generations, my grandparents, parents went to school here, and I went to school here, and now my daughter's here.
So welcoming. Like, the people here are just so welcoming. They're so willing to take you in and, you know, guide you, make sure that you know everything that's going on. So I've just been super grateful and blessed to be part of it.
I went here and graduated in 2013, and Principal Ludley was actually my math teacher when I was here. So it's kind of crazy being back, but it's a lot of fun. I'm the PE teacher here and assistant softball coach.
I graduated here in 2013. I played sports while I was here. I enjoyed my high school time. I went to the Citadel after graduation and came back here this past August as a teacher.
When somebody asks about Greer, the first thing they say tradition. They say, what does that mean? Morning. How you doing? You know, this tradition is family, it's community, it's excellence in academics, athletics, and the arts, and then it's continuing to do that. And each and every year, we look at where we are and how can we continue to rise to the next level.
The bus creaked to a stop in front of them.
The teachers have really gotten to know us, and we've gotten to know the students, so it's like a family, like a community, so it makes you feel more welcomed.
We've been blessed to win 15 state championships, and we're proud of all of them, but you know, the biggest thing that I think that we're proud of the most here at Greer High School is the traditions that we have.
We are black and gold. Everybody comes out to the football games and participates in all the Spirit Week and homecoming.
They make sure you're good. Like, they push you to be the best you can be, and they want to make sure you succeed here, both whether it's athletically or socially or any kind of way. They want to make sure you succeed and be the best person you can be.
I've had nothing but amazing experiences here in Greer. Happy memories, amazing people, and the academics here are absolutely incredible.
And everybody feels like they know each other, and you just walk in and you feel at home.
And so we talk about that consistent dedication and working hard each and every day to achieve our goals, and they do it. And they really have that grit and that grind.
The traditions make everyone want to succeed, and that's really important.